Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today, I'm going to show you how to make what Japanese dinner is like part 3. I choose chicken for the main course as some of you requested. I make chicken karaage with scallion Ponzu sauce. As I have mentioned before, Japanese cuisine is all about balance. Balance of ingredients and seasonings and texture. Let's get started. First thing first, let's prepare the ingredients. Cut all the vegetables first. Peel daikon radish and cut into matchsticks along the grain. Slice one side to stabilize, then slice into 5mm thick. Place the slices on top of each other and cut into matchsticks. Toss in the salt and set aside until wet. I intentionally keep the leftover pieces of vegetables for miso soup. The more vegetables you add, the more delicious miso soup you will have. Slice leftover onion thinly. Slice leftover daikon radish against the grain thinly. Slice carrots thinly. Cut off the stem of the shimeji mushroom and tear into bite size. Put them in a small pot and set aside. Cut broccoli into bite-sized pieces. I believe you know how to cut, but in case you are a beginner, cut the stem of the broccoli towards the floret. Tear into bite size. Rinse thoroughly and soak in water. Remove if bugs inside. Chop scallion thinly. Before chop scallions, I always sharpen my knife to make a clean cut. These seem a lot, but you will see how it works. Peel your ginger and garlic. These are the aromatics for the chicken. I use fresh ginger and garlic, but you can use grated ginger in a tube or garlic powder. Pat dry your chicken and cut into two. Trim off excess skin, fat and stringy fibrous part. Score the surface to make the meat easy to eat. Flip it over and prick the skin side with the tip of the knife to seasonings get through. Cut the other half in two and do the same as we did earlier. I make big chunks of karaage and cut into bite size later on. Put your chicken into a bowl. Grate your garlic and ginger. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mirin into a bowl. Toss chicken in the seasonings to absorb so that your chicken will well seasoned in 10 minutes. All the cuttings and preparation is done. Let's cook and finish the dinner. Let's go back to daikon radish. Daikon radish is flexible and sweat at this point. Squeeze out excess water. Line a piece of plastic wrap on a tray. Lay generous amount of potato starch all over. Put your drained, marinated chicken onto it. Dust over the surface of the chicken. Flip over several times and cover all the gaps with potato starch as much as you can. In the average Japanese kitchen, we have 3 burners on top of the stove. Let me walk you through how to cook and serve hot food all together. Put your small pot for miso soup on the smallest stove on top. Put your prepared broccoli to the right-hand side frying pan. Add 3 tablespoons of water and start cooking on medium with the lid on. Pour vegetable oil for the left-hand side of frying pan. Turn the heat to medium to start cooking. My left-hand side stove is overheating control system, so I can deep fry food safely. I almost forgot to season the broccoli. Cook 3 minutes in total. I like my broccoli a little bit crunchy. You can adjust the time to your liking. Turn the heat off and take out onto a sieve. Remove excess moisture. Deep fry prepared chicken skin side down. Cook until the side is golden brown. The leftover chicken is kept in the freezer for bento lunch. The size of the frying pan deep frying is 12 inches. For broccoli, it's 10 inches. Clean the surface with your kitchen towel. Turn the heat to medium to heat the pan. Meanwhile, turn the heat to low the miso soup pot to avoid boiling over. Continue cooking until the ingredients are tender. Today I cheat on dashi. Add the dashi powder to miso soup pot. Before adding the dashi powder, taste the dashi first. There might not need adding dashi because I add several kinds of vegetables. Sometimes vegetables and mushrooms give it nice umami, so you don't have to add any dashi. Flip over the chicken if the bottom side is golden brown. Add sesame oil to the right hand side pan and cook prepared daikon radish for a couple of minutes. Sprinkle just a little bit of shichimi chili pepper and garlic powder for the aroma. And the daikon side dish is done. Remove the frying pan to a side. Add miso to the pot. Miso will dissolve in remaining heat. Take out the chicken onto a rack. While resting the chicken, let's quickly finish the broccoli. Squeeze a tablespoon of mayonnaise and half a tablespoon of mentsuyu or soy sauce. Stir with your chopsticks until just about to mix. Add shredded crab sticks and broccoli. Mix until dressed. The broccoli and crab stick salad is ready. How can it be more easy? I love crab sticks. Last but not least, let's make easy ponzu soy sauce. Squeeze out the Kabosu straws in a jug, removing the seeds. You can use any straws you have on your hand, like lemon, lime, or yuzu. Adjust the sourness to your liking. We are almost done with today's dinner. Let's assemble the dinner. Transfer the daikon side dish and broccoli salad to a bowl. Place lettuce to a dish. Cut your chicken into bite size and transfer to a dish. Sprinkle a lot of chopped scallion and pour about a tablespoon of ponzu soy sauce. In this way, your chicken is cooked crunchy on the outside and moist on the inside, and uneven surface holds sauce well. Reheat the miso soup and serve in a bowl. There you have your Japanese chicken dinner. We start eating with miso soup and vegetables, then the main course and rice. In this eating order, your blood sugar keeps steady. Ponzu soy sauce adds refreshing twist to chicken and helps digestion as well. Daikon radish will give you satisfaction by crunching. Broccoli salad is a great source for vitamins and minerals. Give it a try and let's start healthy eating with me. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Tap the bell icon to be the first to know my new video is updated. My store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I am using in my video. Follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Go to my website for more information and printable recipes. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!